Hey, Daddy.
Hey, boy, how was school?
Oh, it was fun, Daddy. I made a bunch of friends, and I got a girlfriend.
Oh, okay, boy, I see you.
Yeah, and then this old man offered me a lollipop after school.
What?
Yeah, I was walking home by myself, and then this old man asked me did I want to try his lollipop.
Boy, please tell me you didn't take that damn lollipop.
Oh, no, Daddy. After a few licks, I realized it wasn't a lollipop to begin with.
Okay, good, boy. For a second there, hold on, wait, you did what?
Yeah, Daddy, it didn't even taste like or look like a lollipop, so I just told him to keep it.